What if I can't handle him? We gotta cut that part of you out like a cancer. And then, well, then, my boy, you can finally be who you were always meant to be. Pure, clean, like marble.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware.
Hug your kids, right? Because you never know what might happen.
Eventually, probably soon, the world will recognize you for the pitiful disappointment you are.
Said it was a disappointment. You're a fucking disappointment. When you're as strong as we are, accidents happen, things break, and sometimes they are the things that you love the most.
You're not the hero of the story.
I'm not a bad guy.
I just want to be one of the good guys again.
Are you a bulletproof, motherfucker? I am a family creature. Hey, no!
When he dies, and he will, then no one can stop you. Can they?
I'm the real hero.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop. Stop.